Newton. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643 in Wolford, England. When his father died, Newton was just a baby and his mother raised him. He entered Cambridge University in 1661. Here he was interested in mathematics and natural science. Newton left the university in 1665 due to the Great Plague epidemic.
In this activity, the bones looked like they belonged to dinosaurs. When I look at the groups, I saw different animal figures, so our observations were the same, but our inferences were different. He published his work Principia Mathematica in 1687. This book contained the laws of classical mechanics and universal gravitation. Newton gained a reputation as a brilliant scientist. He became president of the Royal Society in 1696. Isaac Newton died in London on March 20, 1727.
I give you information about Newton. He educated many students throughout his life. He made important contributions to fields of optics, mathematics and astronomy. Newton's work considered one of constituents of modern science. His theory of gravitation became a universally accepted theory. He developed many techniques and theorems in mathematical analysis.
His experiments and discoveries in optics laid the foundation of modern optics. Newton emphasized the importance of experimental and observational approach in the scientific method. This transformative impact on science made Newton one of the most influential scientists in history. He held various positions in the government and academia. He became a supporter of scientific research as a member and president of the Royal Society.
Newton's work is considered a turning point in mechanics and mathematics. The quest to explain physical world mathematically was his primary motivation. Newton's astronomical discoveries and calculation made significant contributions to the development of modern astronomy. The law of universal gravitation is a fundamental principle used to explain the motion of planes. Newton also discussed the relationship between science and religion.
His physical theories influenced even the greatest scientists of his time. Newton left a great legacy after his death. His works and discoveries made great contributions to the advancement of science. The law of universal gravitation represents a universal understanding of science.
Newton's name is remembered as one of the greatest names in modern science. His discovery profoundly changed humanity's understanding.
His legend established the universal legend of science and mathematics. Newton's work supported projects in many branches of science. His work in optics helped us understand the matter of light. Principia Mathematica forms the basis of modern physics. Newton is considered one of the leading figures of the era of the scientific revolution.
Newton emphasized social and cultural impact of science. His works made great contribution by the development of scientific thought. Newton's work are important milestones that shaped evolution of science. His works optics, mathematics, and physics laid out the foundation of modern science. Isaac Newton is remembered as a genius who explained the boundaries of science and changed the humanity's worldview.